let's get started with the question number 2. So we can see here we have a relationship between x and y. Here we have another relationship. By using this, we have to show this equation. So we can see in the final equation, since we have only one variable which is x, we are planning to subject the y here and substitute it in the second equation. So we can see y equals x plus 4. Then I'm going to put this into this second equation. So if I get the a part here, 2x squared minus xy equals 8. So it's 2x squared minus x. Now we can substitute our y equals 8. So if we remove the brackets now, so it's 2x squared. This one multiplied by this is x squared. And this 2 here, it's negative 4x equals 8. So now we are coming our final equation by adding these two similar terms. Final answer is negative 4x negative 8 equals 0. So now we can see we got our expected answer, which is this. So now let's move to the second part. In the B part as well, we have the same equations and the same relationship. Now they are asking for the solutions. Since we have to solve these simultaneous equations, we can see instead of these two equations, we can use the previous equation which we proved. Okay, now let's go to the B part. We have this. Now to solve this, we know we can use the equation which we can use to get the x, which is x equals negative b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac, whole thing divided by 2a. So correspondingly, in this equation, a squared plus bx plus c format, our a is gonna be 1, b is gonna be negative 4, c is gonna be negative 8. So here, let me do the substitution. X equals minus 4 plus or minus negative 4 whole thing squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So when we solve this, we will get x equals plus 4 plus or minus 4 root 3 divided by 2. So we can see we can further simplify this by taking the 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. So we can see in the format of this, we have p equals 2 and q equals 2. So this, now when we got the x value, now we can move on to get the x corresponding values. So let's say when the x equals positive side, we know y is gonna be, as we first found, you have to add a 4 only. So here this would give us, when you add a 4 here, it's 6 plus 2 root 3. And when x equals 2 minus 2 root 3, still when you do a y equals x plus 4, so from this, our y is gonna be 2 plus 4, which is 6 minus 2 root 3. So these are the values that we can get. So we can either get these, and we can also get p equals 2 and q equals -2 as well. So these are the answers. So this exactly goes with the format we have. So we are happy with that.